Hey y'all, hey, if you are new here, my name is Denise and today's video is going to be a oven cleaning video, and we are going to be using a product called the pink stuff. So let's just get right into it.
That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see I write so much better.
Okay, so I ordered this pink stuff off of Amazon. If you missed my last recent video, I did share it in a haul, but it's supposed to be fairly easy to use. You just use a wet cloth or a wet sponge and you just apply the product, and you just wipe it off gently with some clean water, and yeah, that should be the gist of everything. And we are about to get started, but first I feel like it is necessary to show you guys my oven. Okay, so as you can see, there is a ton of baked on grease. It is very nasty. That shouldn't look like that. Y'all, I'm so embarrassed. I haven't cleaned this oven in quite some time, as you can see, and I did recently burn something in this oven. I will leave that video in the cards for you guys if you want to go back and see what it is that I burnt. If you are new here, welcome. But yeah, it's a disaster right now, but it's okay because I am confident that I can get this clean. And yeah, because I'm tired of looking at it. I'm not this type of person, so we are gonna get this thing cleaned. And I'm also gonna clean those racks, but I'm gonna clean them off screen for you guys. So this is the sponge that I'm using. It's a Scotch-Brite recyclable sponge, and this is the tint of the product. It's a really light pink, and to the touch it is very gritty. It almost feels like, you know, if you ever added sugar to hand lotion to do like an exfoliant for your hands, that's exactly what it feels like. And I didn't want to put my sponge in it, so I'm just scooping it out with my fingers, and I am rubbing it on this glass here because this is what needs the most attention right now. But it's very self-explanatory. I am going to just rub it all over the surfaces of this oven, and I'm going to speed up some of these sections, so just enjoy the music. Hey there, if you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Just a little bit about me. My name is Denise and I am a stay-at-home mom of 2. I have a son. His name is Lucas and he is 3. He will actually be 4 on November 4th. So yeah, we are planning his birthday party as I am editing this video. And also I have a daughter and her name is Logan and she is 4 months old. I will link my most recent day in the life video in the cards for you guys because she recently rolled over for the first time. There's some other things that happened to her in that video, so make sure you check that out after this video, and I appreciate you again for watching.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any, to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face.
Okay, so I finally got everything coated with the paste, and that's what my sponge looked like. It's pretty gross, but yeah, everything is coated. This is what it looks like, and I am just gonna simply get some warm water in a bucket, and I'm gonna start clearing this all off with a large towel.
There's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today
So I just want to let you guys know that this paste doesn't really have a smell. I didn't really smell anything. It's probably got a little light fragrance, but while I was doing this cleaning process, my nose was a little bit stopped up. But again, I truly don't believe that it is a strong odor at all. It was very easy to use, and if you have an oven that's looking like mine, this is probably going to be something that you look into. Again, I'm still working on wiping everything off, but if you keep on watching, you'll see the end results.
For too long, I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head.
So right here, I'm just showing you guys the oven racks as is before I apply this small amount of paste on this area right here, just so you guys can see that this stuff really works very well. And I'm doing some light scrubbing, and yeah, it just basically disappears with little to no effort.
I've been staring at the ceiling, I've been staying up all night. Everything I ever worked for vanished in the blink of an eye.
Okay guys, so this is the final result, and it is gorgeous. It almost looks brand new. I would say it's 92% where it should be, and I just wanted you guys to see it before I put the oven racks back inside. There are a few problem areas, but that's probably just because it's just been so long that I actually cleaned my oven. I am no longer embarrassed, and I do hope that this was the cleaning motivation that you needed to get your oven tackled. I really do appreciate you all for watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, consider subscribing, and make sure you have that notification bell turned on to all so you never miss any of my uploads, because I have some great content coming up in the future. And I just really appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Yeah, I tried my best, but